You want to install one like this in your bathroom to hold the DAO in place. I'll show you step by step how you can do this. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm using just a regular drywall screw and it works great. And as you can see, I'm using a lot of strength here because the wall is very tough. At least I have a thick stud in the other side. Otherwise, you will have to use a stud finder if you don't know where the stud is. But here, because I have an electrical box, I'll show you later. And I know the stud is in that area. Alright, so in my case, I have a stud here. So you can just put it like this and that's it. But you have to adjust the screw that you see here. So with a flat screw, a flat head screwdriver, adjust this and that's it. So if you have, in this case, I have the stud in the other side. But if you don't have anything, you can use the anchors, the plastic anchors, or if you have concrete or blocks or something like that, the bricks, you can use a different type of anchors depending on the type of wall that you have. Okay, so here all you have to do is use the screw that you have on the bottom. And that's it, simple. If you don't care about anything, you will put the screw up, it will make your installation easier. Otherwise, install it on the bottom, and that's it. Now I'm making it straight, that is why I was making a small twist, and that's it. So now I'm going to show you the rest of the things that you need. Alright, so here I'm going to show you some of the tools that you may use. So if you can buy one of these stud finders, that is great, just in case if you don't know where the stud is. Otherwise, I'll show you a few tricks so that way you can find the stud easily, even if you don't have this. So this will be the best scenario. If you don't have it, I'll tell you another option. So basically, if you don't know how a wall is inside, it looks kind of like this. So you have the stud here, usually every 15 inches. It depends on the house. I've seen houses with weird distances, but usually it's about that. So basically, the drywall, the wall looks like that when you remove the drywall. So the idea is to hit one of those studs, so that way you know that it's going to be very firm. So as you can see here, it says, okay, so here it basically show you the same thing. And so if you have the electrical box, for instance, in my case, you see when you have the electrical box here, usually on the side or on the other side, there should be an stud. So that is one way to help you. And if you have the stud finder, you see, it's going to tell you where the stud is. You can mark it with a marker and make the hole there, and that's it. And you're going to be able to tell because going to be very difficult. If you have brick, you can use the top con. Usually this type of screw, the blue ones, they're great. They comes, if you buy a kit, it comes with a drill bit, the driver bit, so that way you can screw it in if you have brick or concrete. So depending on what you have. And here I'll show you the other options. So if you don't have the stud just in the right place, you can buy one of this anchor. You have the plastic one and you have the metal one. The metal ones, they are the best. So if you can buy that will be great. So you see the plastic one, it breaks easily. The metal ones, when you screw it with the screwdriver or the impact driver, you can put this, and then after that you can put the screw. You don't need a drill for this. So it's metal, so the metal ones, they last longer. So basically this is how you can install it. You just screw it in and that's it. Simple, easy, and they're very economical. So that is the options that you're going to have in order to install this. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know in the section below. So this is very easy. Hopefully it was useful. If you want to keep learning, go to my playlist. I have many videos organized by topics. If you want to learn plumbing, electrical, and everything else. Thank you for watching. See you next time.